welcome back to my channel, guys. Come and enjoy life with Chef Nykz as I cook and do a lot of stuff for you guys with my family and friends. So today we're gonna be looking to do some dinner. Today we're gonna be preparing some brown stew chicken and plain rice. So stay tuned and let's get cooking. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be preparing some stewed chicken. I've already cleaned my chicken and washed it with rinsed it with vinegar. So this is basically the size of it, and this is 2 chicken breasts, and basically cut it this size for the stewed chicken. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and finish with the sweet pepper. And a trick, guys, for the seed of the sweet pepper, I normally keep it back to put it down in my stew, so I'm not gonna discard it. And you may be wondering, what am I doing with so many butter? It's not butter, it's seasoning. I just recycle my butter containers because I do use butter a lot, so I do have a lot of containers, so I just use them up the best way that I can. Alright, so let's just get these. Alright, so this isn't the sharpest knife in the world, trust me. I need to get my nice sharp point, but yeah, probably should be using the other one that I use on the meat for this. Okay, so that's scallion, onion, tomato, sweet pepper, and I'm gonna put more sweet pepper in there, but closer to the end. This is the Scotch bonnet. Can't cook. Yeah, they can't cook Jamaican stew chicken without it. I don't know if you ever know that stew chicken or what them call it, but yeah, it's very, very important. Pepper, at least for me, and we have some time. Right, so we're gonna use this to basically season our meat. So let's get to it. So what we have here today for seasoning for this stewed chicken, we just remove that good dough. We have some lemon pepper, and this is lemon pepper and red pepper flakes. Yeah, lemon pepper and red pepper flakes mixed together, and this is a KFC container, guys, that I recycled. For this, I'm gonna go ahead.
Should have been a half
and I'm
teaspoon
gonna
of the lemon pepper, guys, not a half tablespoon. Too much.
A half tablespoon, yeah, of the lemon pepper and the red pepper flakes. Right? Make it a tablespoon, guys. You see, the reason why I'm using the spoons is because, well, I don't know about anybody else from the Caribbean, but I basically eyeball what I'm cooking. I know what I need to be putting in there, how much seasoning, with the years that I've been cooking. I know what I'm looking for. So this is jerk seasoning, so I'm putting in just probably 3/4 of a tablespoon, because at the same time, and the reason why I'm going so heavy on the seasoning as well is because I'm not gonna be marinated for any long period of time at all. I don't have the luxury of that today. So I'm gonna go ahead with the black pepper. I'm not gonna put that much. This is a 1/4 teaspoon. Then our chicken seasoning. That's 3/4 of a teaspoon. I just call it 1 teaspoon, guys. And finally, what do I have in this? The salt. And the only reason why I'm adding salt, and I'm not going to be adding that much either, similar to the black pepper, is because yeah, I don't have the luxury of the time to allow the marinating process for the seasoning, because all of these seasonings that I put in there having salt as well. But trust me, it's not gonna be salty. So this is just a half teaspoon of salt. Alright, so that's it for my powdered seasoning that I'm gonna be using. So just give me a moment. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add our seasonings. And I'm gonna allow this to just marinate for about 10-15 minutes, because I still want some flavor to get in there. And also, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be cooking. You know, some persons put their stew chicken, they take out the meat and I throw everything. All of this is gonna go into the pot. So the scallion, the tomato, the onion, the thyme, everything, the scotch bonnet is gonna cook out into that stew and infuse into the meat, and it's just gonna be lovely, 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 lovely. So, all right. So once it is that we're ready to start the cooking process, I'll be back with you guys. All right, so this is how it's looking so far, and smells so good too. Oh crap, guess what I missed out?
It's my grandkids in the
Maggie
background.
So let me just add that, and it's gonna be just a little bit. That's about a half teaspoon, guys. Alright, so okay guys, so what I have is my oil getting hot, and I have a piece of garlic in there infusing in the oil, and I'm not gonna be putting any browning on the chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead and alright, so it's browning up now. And now it's starting to smell like browning. So you have to be careful guys, you don't want it to burn, but you need for it to caramelize, so you don't want it to be sweet either. Right? So we're gonna go ahead now. We're gonna start adding our chicken. And like I said before, scallion, onion, everything goes into the pot. This is stew chicken. It infuses all of the flavor of the meat. that's my granddaughter. Her name is Faith. Alright, mommy? Alright. We're just gonna go ahead and stir up this chicken. No browning, but the color is coming. Alright. And there we go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead now and just cover this. Not adding any water to it, guys. Very important. No water. Just ensure that your oil is very hot. Put your chicken in, stir, cover. Because what's gonna happen when you cover it, it's gonna start to generate that steam and start to produce its own liquid, which makes it even more flavorful. Alright. So once our rice starts boiling rapidly, we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat down on the meat. All right, there we go. All right, so when I'm gonna go ahead and season up with the ketchup and so forth, I'm gonna be coming back to show you guys that portion of it. All right, and also the plating. But yeah, our Jamaican stew chicken on its way, man, on its way. Hope you're hungry. Alright, so now that we're about 10 minutes in the cooking of the stew chicken, in this I just have some ketchup and some water. And I'm going to go ahead, and it's a small amount of water to the amount of ketchup. And I'm going to add this. And I'm going to allow this now to cook for another 5-10 minutes, because this is chicken breast only, so it doesn't take that much time to cook. So the total time on this chicken is about 20-25 minutes. I like my chicken starting to, when it's stew chicken, it should be, you know, breaking apart. It's not hard. Stew chicken, curry chicken, yeah. That's why I like my, must cook. Even my mom, they can't get meat with chewy. So we're gonna go ahead and now cover back our pots and allow this to just stay there nicely merry. I'm gonna turn on the stove a little bit. So we're gonna take it off high and put it on medium. And just leave it there to simmer down. You hear what I say? Simmer down. Hey, cause me back will be better. I simmer down. Yeah man, everything I simmer so. Alright. I'll come back for the plating a little more, alright? And I don't add no carrots, I don't add anything into the stew chicken. Mainly because I don't have any vegetables, guys. I don't have any carrots, I don't have any Irish. Otherwise I would put it in there. But yeah, you know, it's quarantine time and you have time where you go out and time where you have to stay in. Yeah. Tomorrow now, you go market and so forth. So I'll have stuff. So next week, jam pack. Alright, so we're gonna add our this is pimento, sugar, a little bit of chicken seasoning or chicken spice, and some salt. Gonna also add the seed of the sweet pepper. And guys, a lot of persons don't use the seed of the sweet pepper, but did you know that the seed is what have most of the flavor? Similar to how the Scotch bonnet pepper or the other peppers, the seed is where the strength or the heat is. Yep, it's almost done, guys. Almost done. Alright, guys, so basically this is it. Look at that. I'm gonna use no browning. Hey, and then we can't put without browning. Joker, guys. Just use the sugar, the oil. You don't want the oil to be too hot when you put the sugar in there. You want it to gradually brown. I find it works better that way. Alright. So now that this is fully cooked, we're gonna go ahead and turn off our stove, and I'm gonna check on my rice. Rice done too. So you know what time now? Food time, food time, food time, food time, food time. Back with the plate. Alright guys, so this is our final dish. Plated. Now because of white rice and stewed chicken, I mean said pretty, right? So yeah.